Hi, I'm Yunus from Green Electro Heating, and today we just finished a heat pump installation on Corby, and I just want to take you through the installation to show you what have we done. So we have the flow and return coming in from outside from the heat pump. Then we have a strainer on the return. From the strainer, this is the return pipe, and this is the flow. Flow is coming to the diverted valve. This is, it looks like a 3-port valve, actually it's a diverted valve. You got only 3 wires on it, so all it does is switch, is a permanent open on the hot water, and when the hot water is satisfied, it will switch the heating. So it's coming to the hot water cylinder, and this is the return, which go to the return pipe. This is the tank, the cold water tank. So basically when the water is heated, it will expand, and when it expands, you will use the air from this vessel to expand. So it helps for expansion. This red vessel is for the heating. So what it does help when the water expand on the heating system, will increase the pressure, and we need to expand somewhere, and it will expand on this vessel. This vessel here is a volumizer. So on this job is a 3-bedroom semi-detached, and we do not use a buffer tank, we use a volumizer, which means this is the return pipe, and when the return pipe comes from the property, it will go to this volumizer. Then after that, it just go to a magnet filter all the way to the heat pump. This volumizer basically is like additional radiator. So if the heat pump need to is freezing, is outside, is cold, and the system is completely off, this vessel will help the heat pump to have the flow, so it can defrost. That is the main purpose of it, and that's why we use it. So just want to show you the wiring of what we have done. So on this one here, you have the permanent life. This one is coming from a spur. It's a 3-amp spur, and you have permanent life to the interface. This one is the life coming out. We don't use it on this job. And then you have the MAI1, which is the circulation pump. This one, UV1, is basically this diverted valve from here. This diverted valve is connected on this block here. Then on this one we have the bus. Bus is the communication from the heat pump to the thermostat and to the interface. It's a common, which is help the communication between all these 3. Then we have this cable here, which is SP1, is the cylinder start, which come here. And also we have the last one, which is DCF, this block here, the orange one, which is the outdoor sensor. And this one here, this is the immersion heater basically. So in case of an emergency, or if the pump doesn't work or something happen, you just turn it on and it's heating the hot water. But this is only on emergency, otherwise should not be used. The heat pump is completely capable to heat the hot water and the heating, and to satisfy the heating and the hot water. So we don't need the immersion heater, because anyway it's more expensive if you use the immersion heater. Thank you.